Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Charge both controller and Cronus Zen above 50% and install Cronus Zen Studio on your PC. Plug the Zen into the PC using the supplied USB cable and enable developer mode on the device. This unlocks the update path. Once connected, open Zen Studio and let it detect the device. Make sure the firmware file you downloaded matches the Lethal Panda build. Now you're ready to begin the actual flashing sequence from the Studio interface. With the Zen recognized, choose the Lethal Panda firmware slot in Zen Studio and load the firmware file you prepared. Back up your existing configuration and export any custom scripts or profiles to prevent data loss. Click the Flash button and watch the progress bar. The utility will verify, write, and validate the firmware. Do not disconnect or power down during this process because interruptions can brick the device. When Studio reports success, allow the Zen to finish internal reboot before proceeding to configuration. After flashing, reboot the Zen and confirm the firmware version in Studio to ensure the Lethal Panda build is active. Restore your exported profiles and run a full input test. Check buttons, sticks, macros, and vibration to validate behavior. If something is off, clear cache and reapply profiles, then retest. One key troubleshooting tip. If the update fails or the device won't boot normally, reboot into safe mode and perform a reflash. Safe mode bypasses custom scripts that might interfere with recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.